there's someone's birthday and यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ हो रही है. Birthday to you. Typical culture of Alter Institute. Hi, so today I'm recording a day in the life of as an Alter Institute PGP student. I'm Shreya Singh, I'm from Bhopal MP. I usually start my day by having a cup of coffee and gathering up my thoughts before the mess starts. Post that I view my attendance on LMS. So LMS is a really very cool portal given by Alter Institute when you get to know about your assessments, your meetings, everything at one place. It's a very streamlined process. And talking about attendance, Alter Institute is really very strict about attendance. So सुबह उठ के सब यही कर रहे होते हैं कि कितनी attendance कहाँ क्या बची है. चलो I'll take you through my day. I'll just get ready otherwise I'll be late. Let's go.
So it's 8:55. I'm pretty late. Altera की hostel facility is genuinely very nice. आज देखते हैं इसमें क्या है. आलू पूरी है that I don't like, but I do love tandoori sandwich mayo. That is something you should really try.
Hey guys, so we are in for the bus. I mean, I'm the only one. I'm very late, so the bus is waiting for me. But I'll still stop and show you what our locality is. So we have the police station right by the corner, so it's very safe. Otherwise, we do have parks. We have very good locality. The bus is provided by Alter Institute, and we don't have to book a cab or metro सुबह के लिए. No झंझट. The route is for around 15 minutes. Not much, unless Gurgaon, unless traffic.
Hi guys, so we have reached at building 9A. So one of the best part that I really love about Alter Institute is it's located in the heart of Cyber City. So you're surrounded by 200 plus companies. Like for example, building 9A has BCG, PVR. So you're really ready for that corporate culture. Starting from the day one, you know what corporate feels like. So let's get started, guys. There is a very weird culture around here. Everyone wants to sit in the front. Everyone, like normally in my past school and college, everyone wants to sit at the back, chill around a little bit, but not here. Just in time. So the first lecture is business innovation taken by Swapnil sir. Let me tell you a pretty cool thing about Swapnil sir. So when he enters the room, he plays a little song and just tune or even stand up sometimes. It gets you, pumps you up, and it's the morning lecture, so you just energize up. So let's start with the class. So my first class is over and it was very good. Kya debates were, it was very fun. But I really need a coffee. So I'll just quickly grab a cup of coffee and then I'll show you around the campus. Let's go. So second lecture is about to start. Second lecture for alternate marketing strategies taken by Hari sir. So he's from Publicis Group. By the way, he also featured in Brood video. Go check it out. So alternate marketing strategies, we did our base in term 1 and term 2, and now we're doing the advanced version of it. We are talking about Sharp and Kotler views, and we're amalgamating both the views as well as we're talking about the distinction. So pretty cool. I'll just quickly wrap it up because my class is about to start. Let's go. Hi guys, it's lunch time. I really need to rush. But आज छोले की सब्जी है, पनीर की सब्जी है, which is Arya's favorite by the way. Hi guys, we are through with our lunch and we are moving forward for our next lecture. That is a fireside chat with Sudhi Parma, he's the CM of Comviva, and
These fireside chats, they happen very frequently.
very frequently.
Yeah, and it's very cool because we get to outside of a classroom. Corporate ka real deep dive
Actually, we have this around twice a week, and it's generally very nice because we get to know more about industry, like actual what happens in our industry, the practical approach,
and get to even ask them questions.
Yeah,
That's
Arya is
the
a
best part.
nerd, guys.
No.
She asks a lot of questions. Okay, so let's move on. So hi guys, I have a life project meeting scheduled, and I'll just tell you quickly about what life project is. I have just one of my life project that was with Ayurvedic Sutra. It is a skincare Ayurvedic brand, and we were supposed to develop a USP for the brand, and for that we did consumer research in terms of interviews and surveys, and post that we developed USP for the brand. Another life project I'm going to do is through the introductory meeting itself. That is for Esperith. It's an agri-tech company. I am yet to know about the problem statement, and post that we will start working on it. So these are around 1 month or 3 to 4 weeks, depending on your project that you get hold of. I believe my colleagues have started to come, and I'll just catch up with the meeting. Guys, there's someone's birthday and यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ हो रही है. So let's go and see. I think it's Ishant's birthday. Let's see. Birthday to you. So this is a typical culture of Alder Institute that we cut our cakes on birthday, and that's when you just gel up and you have a bond. Okay guys, so the next lecture that we have is Mastering Modern Sales, taught by Saurabh Sen Gupta, and he's a really very good teacher because the way he changed my journey from term 2 to term 3, and in terms of refining my skills from being a very sales hating person to somewhat a salesperson is genuinely what I really did enjoy. And let's roll. I have an assignment to complete.
Hey guys, so we are through with our classes, but I'm yet to get over with my day because we have to prepare. Tomorrow I have this outclass activity in which I'm supposed to move out and talk with the company and certain number of things. So basically I have to prepare. So yeah, let's go guys. So it's late at night and let's see what you and there's Priyanshu doing something I don't know, and this guy. Let's talk to Gayatri. Hi Gayatri.
Hey,
What are you doing?
I'm actually working on the PNL for my BYOB.
Please explain your BYOB.
BYOB is
Build your own brand.
Yeah. So Altera gives us this opportunity to build your own brand from scratch. And if you have any crazy ideas, you can just let it out, experiment, like work on the costings, procurement, you can actually sell your product too.
So what crazy idea are you working on?
Yeah. So me and my team members, we are into fashion.
As
so,
you can see.
So we're working on a t-shirt brand, but a little bit on the sustainable part. And that's where I'm struggling a little bit because I have to work on the cost side, whether I can actually sell the product on the price point that we discussed.
Also guys, recently Gayatri won a case competition from IIM Lucknow.
Yeah.
So how was that?
It was really good. So it was for Flipkart Minutes. So we planned out the growth strategy and the content for the minutes. And immediately when we got selected for the final round, the mentors were too helpful. Like they were helping us at 1 a.m. midnight, like working on our decks, like ideas, strategies and all those things. It was a really good experience.
I'll let you do your work and मुझे भी थोड़ा काम करना चाहिए. Let's go. We are through with our day guys. At least I hope so. बाकी काम तो होगा, हॉस्टल जाके होगा. So my friends have booked the cab, but I am yet to pack my belongings. So वापस आते वक्त we usually go by cabs because it's very difficult to maintain one time zones for each and every person क्योंकि सब अलग टाइम पे जा रहे होते हैं. तो let's go. I'll pack my belongings. We are back. It's around 12:11. अभी खा पी के थोड़ा पूल खेल के we'll go back to our work क्योंकि खत्म नहीं हुआ है. Let's go. Look, आज पनीर है जिसमें actual पनीर है by the way, and dal. Guys, we are through with our dinner and यहाँ पे game start हो गया. I don't know कब तक चलने वाला है. This is Yash, that is Ayush, and that's Priyanshu as you met. Let's go. So, hi guys, we are back at my room and it was a pretty hectic day and I'm really very tired. I don't even know कि क्या time हो रहा है, कैसे क्या है. By the way, say hi to my roommate.
Hello guys.
She's Nalini, by the way, and this is my room. It was my birthday a few days back, so my roommate and my friends ensured that I had the best time ever, and that's what Alder Institute gives you, right? Like they give you the people who you want to cherish your moments with. You have people surrounded with so much love, so much care for you, and when it's a really hectic day and a very long day, you just need those moments just to grab your thoughts and just be with those people who you really want to be with. And that's it from my side, guys. If you have any questions, just text me up on LinkedIn. I'll be there. Thank you.